Welcome along to this national weather update from the Met Office. It has been incredibly mild over the past couple of days and nights, and the mild theme will continue through this weekend. Here's the big picture. On Friday, high pressure dominating across Europe, low pressure up to the northwest, generating a southwesterly wind. It's been blustery and gusty, but the southwesterly wind is also drawing in the warm air, hence why it has been so very mild. This weather front has made for a very wet couple of days across northwest Scotland, but it is now just starting to edge its way southwards, bringing outbreaks of rain during Friday night into parts of northern England, and then it kind of gets a bit of a ripple on it and it pushes back further north into Northern Ireland and back into central and southern Scotland. To the south it stays generally dry, but as the winds ease off a touch, it is likely to turn misty and murky with a few fog patches here and there. There's that weather front, again just edging northwards by the end of the night, and it does mark the boundary between the very mild air in the south, but something a bit cooler further north. Certainly compared to Thursday night, it will be an awful lot chillier, with temperatures through some sheltered parts of the northeast close to freezing, so a big contrast for Saturday morning compared to Friday morning. For most, though, it will be another mild start. For some, a damp start where that weather front is lying. It could be some outbreaks of rain still across Northern Ireland, southern and central Scotland. Will be clearing away to the north through the day. Elsewhere, some mist and some fog around on Saturday morning, which at this time of year can take a while to clear, and for some places may just stay fairly grey even into the afternoon, parts of northeast England in particular. By then, though, the rain should even be petering out from the Western Isles of Scotland, and generally speaking, it's a brightening up kind of day Saturday, and with a bit of sunshine, we've still got that mild air in place, so temperatures are going to be well above average, even where it stays a bit glum. We're looking at highs of 13 or 14 with some sunny spells, 17, 18 Celsius. Not as windy on Saturday compared to Friday, but still a bit of a breeze blowing, especially around these western coasts. It'll stay fairly mild if you're out on Saturday nights. We will again, though, see some mist and fog forming, most likely over central and eastern parts of England. Could be quite dense, and again, for Sunday, it may well linger. Not a particularly cold start to the day, though, once more. And then as we go through the day, that mist and fog will take its time to clear, but generally a dry day with many places seeing sunny spells. Just the chance that some eastern areas may stay a bit dull and misty. Further west, there will be signs of a change as we start to see outbreaks of rain trickling into the west of Northern Ireland later. Still quite breezy here as well, but lighter winds further east. And let's take a look at the temperatures. Once more, significantly above average for the time of year, even where it's cloudy. Temperatures into the teens, and where we see some sunshine, 17, 18 degrees, perhaps North Wales seeing some of the highest temperatures on Sunday. This cloud and rain, no gathering out west. That is, as I said, signs of a change. Some question marks about how quickly the rain moves in. It's kind of a couple of weather fronts that merge together, that open the door then out in the Atlantic for weather systems to come in as we go through the early part of next week. This one in particular likely to bring a wet and windy spell across the country on Tuesday. For more on that, make sure you stay up to date with everything from the Met Office, and of course the best way to do that is subscribe to our YouTube channels and follow us across social media.